What's up, you guys? So Steph has been working really hard, and we're looking back on the Ornery one, as you were saying, opening up the Ornery Vault.
Yes, so we have footage and videos and photos from rallies and events that we've been going to since 2017. That's on our website. So if you go to www.theorneryone.com, there's a tab there called Rallies and Events, and you can go down and check out all the different ones that we have posted on there, including this little clip right here.
Right on. So we're in the hill country of Texas.
Yes.
That's what they call it, right? Father's Day run with Bike and Bird.
Yes, so this is from 2019. That is now 4 years ago. We just had Father's Day, 2023. So yeah, 4 years ago, Bike and Bird invited us down during the Rot Rally and led us on a great and amazing ride. And you guys check it out here.
Here's his dad, Johnnie. You're a badass. Oh yeah. They have a gas station too? Wow.
Yeah, it's like a country store.
Wow. What do you know? Wasn't expecting that. Is that the posse over there?
I think so.
The OGs?
Yep.
The Bird OGs? Who are you? What's up, man?
Hey, how are you?
Good. I'm gonna get all this shit off my head.